2026 Honda Ridgeline. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.